Hello students, this is Indrajit Ghoshal. This is my second video. Welcome to our channel Quick Access. I hope all of you have enjoyed with my first video. Today I'm talking about the use of conditional operator or ternary operator in C programming language. As we know that in C language different type of operators are there, and how to use the operator and what is the concept of the operand, as already we have seen and we have done the little bit programs in C language. But today we have to know how to use the conditional operator and when you have to use the conditional operator in C programming language. First of all, we have to know the sign of the conditional operator. Basically, there are two signs. Number one is question mark, that is indicate to if the condition is true, and another is colon, that is indicate to if the condition is false. Okay, so when you have to use the conditional operator, when we have to check the condition in between two numbers, among three numbers. Suppose we are checking the biggest between two numbers, or suppose we are checking the biggest among three numbers. So how to check this kind of program with the help of conditional or ternary operator in C language? I'm giving an example how to use the conditional operator and when you have to use the conditional operator in C language. So see the program. Program is example of conditional / ternary operator in C language. As already I have told you, what is the meaning of the question mark? If the condition is true, colon, that is indicate to if the condition is false. So now how to use this type of operator in our programming? So now I am declaring the header file has include stdio.h, has include conio.h. Now I am declaring int main, because of in main function we have to use the statement and we have to use a lot of functions. What actually you have to do here, I am declaring two variables, int x comma y, then clr scr. Now I am taking two numbers from the user, then scanf %d, because of there are two integer variables, so we have to use %d and %d double quotes close comma ampersand x comma ampersand y. So we have taken two numbers in x and y. Now we need to check with the help of conditional operator which one is greater in between x and y. So how to check it? With the help of conditional operator. Here we have to use the conditional operator, because of, as already have told you, when you have to use the conditional operator, when you have to check the condition, when you have to set the condition, if the condition is true, then you can use the question mark. If the condition is false, then you can use the colon. So how to check it? Within parentheses, you can check x greater than y. If x greater than y means x greater than y, then you can printf /n x is greater, but not semicolon. Why? Because of we are using conditional operator. So what is the meaning of conditional operator? In the same line you have to use question mark when you have to check the condition if the condition is true, and after that you have to use colon if the condition is false. So how to write this one? Printf then /n y is greater, ch return 0. Done. So then compile. At first we need to save the file, then save the file like condition C. So name of the program is condition.c, then compile. Success, and execute your program, run. So like I'm giving 30 and 50, so y is greater because of from the output we can understand 30 and 50 we have given two numbers 30 and 50. 30 will be stored in x and 50 will be stored in y. So how to check which one is greater? So already we have used the conditional operator or ternary operator for that program. In x 30 is already stored and in y 50 is already stored. So here we can see 50 is greater than 30. So the result is correct, y is greater. So this is the concept of the conditional operator. Means when you have to check the condition in between two numbers or among three numbers, whatever, as per your requirement you can check, as per your requirement you can use. So just you have to always remember that when you have to use the conditional or ternary operator, when you have to go for the condition checking. If the condition is true, then you can use question mark. If the condition is false, then you can use the colon. In the same line you have to write question mark as well as colon. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe our YouTube channel with like, share and comment to get more videos. Thank you very much.